heat exchanger. Okay, the objective of the experiment today is to introduce the students what is the effect of introducing fins on a flat surface. कि जब आप एक फ्लैट सरफेस के ऊपर फिन्स इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं तो उससे हीट ट्रांसफर पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है. दैट्स यू हैव स्टडीड इन योर मॉड्यूल दैट के इंट्रोड्यूसिंग फिन्स ऑन अ फ्लैट सरफेस बेसिकली इंक्रीजेस द हीट ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम द सरफेस. Similarly, we see the fins on a car radiators and on the bike cylinders. ठीक है, वहाँ पे fins इंट्रोड्यूस की जाती है हीट ट्रांसफर को इंक्रीज करने के लिए. तो वही इफेक्ट हमने आज इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में क्या करना है, देखना है कि अगर हमारे पास एक फ्लैट सरफेस है और एक फिन सरफेस है तो उससे हीट ट्रांसफर पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है. Right now we have two plates here. One is flat. This one is a flat plate. You can see, and this one is cylindrical fin surface. ठीक है, ये आपके पास cylindrical fin surface है और नीचे आपके पास बेस प्लेट है और इसके नीचे आपके पास हीटर है. इसी तरह की एक प्लेट है यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस की गई है. यू कैन सी दिस वन इज आल्सो फिन सरफेस, लेकिन इसमें जो आपको फिन्स नज़र आ रही हैं वो रेक्टेंगुलर शेप है एज यू कैन सी. इसमें हम सबसे पहले कंट्रोल की तरफ देख लेते हैं कि इसमें हम क्या क्या चीज़ कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. इसके ऊपर सबसे टॉप ऑफ द दिस वन इज बेसिकली द होल वन. This vertical section is the test section. ठीक है, ये आपके पास टेस्ट सेक्शन है और इसके top of it is basically a fan जिसकी स्पीड को आप एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं टू इंक्रीज द स्पीड. यहाँ पे एयर के फ्लो को, एयर की स्पीड को इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज करने के लिए टेस्ट सेक्शन में हम फैन की स्पीड को इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे टेस्ट सेक्शन में जो है एयर की स्पीड इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज हो जाएगी. सो दिस वन इज बेसिकली induced airflow. Right now there are different controls. This one is heater power. I can increase the heater power using this knob, but before that I have to switch on the heater, this one, and now you can see that it's 50, 60. I can increase or decrease using this knob. So I can set it at 60 watt right now. Gradually so it's almost 60, 61. On the left side you can see there is air velocity, so speed of the air can be adjusted using the fan knob, fan control switch. It's 1.2 meter per second right now, and there is a temperature selector as well. There are 5 temperature sensors that have been introduced in this section. Okay, this TA, we can start from the T1. T1, T2 and T3 are 3 temperatures introduced on the fin section. T1, T2 and T3, these 3 temperature sensors tell you the temperature of the fins in this the outward direction, कि आपके पास outward direction में temperature कैसे change हो रहा है. Like base plate पे आपके पास temperature जो है वो highest होगा, and as you move away from the base plate these temperatures decreases. So T1 is the highest, T2 the lower, T2 the middle, intermediate, and T3 will be the lowest temperature as you move from the base plate to the end, to the edges. Okay, these are 3 temperatures, and T4 is basically the ambient temperature, the room temperature, T4 here, and T5 here is the heater, is the base plate temperature. T5 here, it's the base plate temperature at the base of the fins. Experiment, what you have to do, you have to check what is the effect of introducing fins on the heat transfer. For example, right now I have mounted here the fin section. अब मैंने क्या करना है, मैं देखूँगा कि I'll select a specific speed. I can set it at 0 or 1 or 0.5. So I can set it at 1 meter per second. So first of all, I'll set it at 1 meter per second. 1.0.9, that's approximately 1 meter per second. So what's the objective? Like I have to demonstrate that introducing fins on a flat surface basically increases the heat transfer. So what we need, we will set a specific air velocity in both sections. We will use two plates. One will be the flat plate and the other one will be the fin plate. I can use this one and the other one, cylindrical one. It's up to the choice. So what I have to do basically, keeping the air velocity constant, I'll set the heater power at different watts, 20 watt, 30 watt and then 40 watt and then 50 watt. I can choose 3 to 4 power inputs, and then accordingly I have to check the temperature of the base plate, like T5. What's the T5? Like as you can see, as I will increase the heater power, the base plate temperature will increase. In the case of fins one and in the case of flat one as well. In both cases, I have to check what is the base plate temperature at a particular heater power input. For example, if I set it at 20 watt, slowly, gradually. It's quite sensitive actually. Okay, 19, 20, that's constant. So at this particular temperature, 20, at this particular heat power input, I will wait until this temperature T5 or the base plate temperature reaches equilibrium. So that will be the temperature of the base plate. I will note at this particular velocity, 1 meter per second, I will check the temperature of the base plate at a particular heater power input. And then I will again set it at 30. Keeping the air velocity constant, I'll check the base plate temperature, and then at a particular and then 40 watt, I'll again check the base plate temperature. So I'll get 3 to 4 readings. Now keep it at 3, 20 watt, 30 watt, and 40 watt. At these three temperatures, at these three power inputs of the heater, I'll check 3 temperatures of the base plate. Okay. And the same I'll perform with this one. I'll introduce this section at this point, and I'll check at these 3 parameters, keeping the velocity same, and the 3 power inputs, 20 watt, 30 watt and the 40 watts. I'll get the temperature of this base plate, the flat ones, and I'll compare the reading. That's the objective. Basically what we have to do in this experiment, कि हमने ये देखना है कि fins के इंट्रोड्यूस करने से और बगैर के fins इंट्रोड्यूस करने से हीट ट्रांसफर पे क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है. More the heat transfer from the base plate, the lower will be the temperature, as we can see in this experiment. Right now, I'll wait for the steady state, and similarly you will be given the readings. You just have to check according to the data, and you can check from there that you have to compare. Both readings are provided in Excel sheet in your class material. You can check, and you have to compare this one. And how to basically okay, let me introduce this one. How this air velocity is being measured. This one is an anemometer, and it works. This green one, there's a hot wire anemometer, you can see. Okay, so it works on the principle that as the air passes through this section, this hole, the temperature of the disc, the lower disc, changes. So accordingly, the resistance changes, the resistance of the wire changes, and this change in resistance gives the velocity of the air. So this is the principle of anemometer. So this anemometer is introduced in the test section to measure the flow velocity, and I can change this base temperature, base plate from here. Introducing this one. So before that, I'll switch off the heater, the main power. So before that, I just need to unplug this power switch, this power plug. Okay, now install this flat plate here. Okay, the flat plate has been installed. Now I again turn it on. Turning on the heater at 20 watt, and it's at 20 watt, and I'll wait for the equilibrium state. When the temperature of the base plate has reached the equilibrium, I'll turn down that value. So this is your experiment, experiment number 8. So I'll repeat so that you may understand what is the basic objective. The basic objective of the experiment is to introduce to introduce the student what is the effect of introducing fins on a flat surface. What is the effect of heat transfer? So first of all, you mount whatever the plate you want to. You can mount the flat plate first or the fin plate first. If you have mounted the flat plate, you will, keeping the air velocity constant, you will move this control knob, heater knob at 20 watt, 30 watt and 40 watt to note the temperature of the base plate. Similarly, you will do with the fin plate, and you will compare what you have noticed what you have noticed in the base plates. What's the difference basically? The two base plates temperatures. So you have to compare your results and any combinations, and how this experiment can be improved. And the conclusion in the discussion section, the basic format of the report has been will be discussed in the class section. Thank you. Any question you may ask in the discussion section.